All right, guys, we got a 2017 Audi A3 Quattro Turbo, 2.0 liter. It's only got 37,000 miles on it, all original. That's crazy. It's a really clean car, as you guys can see. And a nice shine to it. What we got done on it, factory converter there, another one up there somewhere. Then it's a 2.5-inch pipe. We took the resonator out and put a pipe in its place there, as you guys can see. Then 2.5 continues, and there's that muffler that was on it down there. We took it off and did a custom Y pipe right there, as you guys can see, and did 2.25 out the back into 3.5-inch resonated tips out the back there and there. And there's the setup right there, as you guys can see. Really nice, really clean. Came out absolutely magnificent. My boys did an awesome job on this. We really appreciate their work. They love what they do, as you guys can see. Here's the muffler that was on it. On these Audis, it comes center in, as it, down there, and dual outlet out of one muffler. So that's why you have to add the Y pipe. And there's the resonator that was on it that we took off also. All right. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And like always, guys, like, comment, and make sure you subscribe. Got a little marble to it. That turbo and cats take a lot of the sound away. Here's sound decibels. Again. We're at an 89. Again. Yeah, it's barely anything. Wow. Go ahead and back it out. Let you guys hear on the inside. (2017) Audi A3 Quattro S-Line with fully straight pipe other than the cats. 37,000 miles on it, all original. It's sick. If I get one, I gotta find them with low miles like that. And then we got another Audi in there. He just pulled up. Audi Day.